Another stitch that's used in this pattern is extended double crochet, and here's how you're going to do that. You yarn over and pull up a loop just like you're making a double crochet like always. And now with a regular double crochet, you would yarn over and pull through two, but for extended double crochet, first we're going to yarn over and pull through one. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through two and yarn over and pull through two. So that's extended double crochet. I'll do it again. Yarn over and pull up a loop, just like your normal double crochet, and then yarn over and pull through one, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. I'll do extended double one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And that is extended double crochet. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any new videos. You're always welcome to tag me in your social media posts. I love seeing your beautiful creations.